Hello all my ageless wonders out there. This is Mel B and I'm here today to share with you another eyebrow tutorial and technique. And many of us just have a problem with drawing in and doing 3 or 4 products. So this product I'm going to show today is Eyebrow Stamp Eyebrow Stencil Kit. And I know you've seen this many times, but today I'm going to try it out with you because this is my first time to try this, and iMethod sent this to me and asked me if I would share it with you and see how it works, and maybe if it works for me, it'll work for you too. Okay, so you're going to open this with me. I just got it. We're going to see what's inside the box, and what's inside of it is an eyebrow stamp. And let's see, open it up. And yes, I can see that there is some product in the lid here, and then a spongy type stamp that picks up that product. And the other thing in the box is a brush so that we can go ahead and brush them. And I can see there's a little bitty applicator on the end here. I imagine that's for if you need to fix it or correct it, or maybe just to go straight in with this little applicator. That's a possibility too. All of our little templates are here. What else is in here? Let's just dump it out like this. Okay. So they give you plenty of like how-to type to their website, how-tos, 3 different template stencils. And I can tell you just from feeling, these are kind of stiff. They're very stiff. I don't know how, I don't think that would be able to lay down on my face very well, but they also include these by Nobility, and these templates are very soft. I'm going to go with the soft ones, showing you so you can see this is exactly what you're going to be doing at home when you try this. So you'll be getting all of these out and trying them on one by one. I like to have a little bit up an arch. Sometimes I do it in that technique now that people do a thicker straight over. So they do have some that are thicker and thinner. Let's see, how does that compare to this? Okay, so what I can tell the difference, this one's thicker and goes down more, so we know I don't like to go downward with the tails. This one is a little bit higher and out. That's one. I can already tell this one looks too thick, and this one looks just too rounded, like, you know, it's just like like that. I don't think that matches my natural eyebrow. This one is actually, I think, getting closer because I can see my eyebrow. I can see the hairs in my eyebrow inside of it. This one goes straight, kind of where I'd say it goes straight over and out. I think it's the arch is too far over to, let's hold this one up again. You can always wash it off and get another and try a different one. So today this is the one I'm going to try. It doesn't really give me a number or anything. You're just going to go through each one and try it on your brow to see how much, which one does more hairs come through and follows the natural shape of your eyebrow. That's the first step. The second step is we're going to hold it up there, and then we're going to pounce it. So let's give it a go and see what happens since I'm doing this with you on camera. I wanted to start there. Gotta be careful I don't get it in my white hair, right? So you're basically going to take your hand and hold it on the left side and the right side, and then pounce it. There we go. There's my eyebrow, quick, fast, out the door. But I think I'll probably go back in and define it a little bit better, and I'll show you here in a second what I mean. Let's go ahead, do the other side. You're going to want to flip this to the opposite. So see where it has all this product on it. I'm going to wipe it off because I don't want that to transfer then to my skin. Maybe I need to go above like this and hold it down. Okay, we're going to try it this way. That one turned out much better. So there definitely is a process in holding it up there. I'm going to take this other one off, and that's kind of what I like to see is when the mistakes are made, or maybe where it didn't turn out just perfect the first time, is what did my mom used to always tell me, maybe yours, if at first we don't succeed, try again. So sometimes this is just about working with products, trying different ones, and coming up with what's going to work. So I'm going to reach over here and get a pad and a Q-tip, and we're going to get some micellar water, and I'm just going to redo it because I like this side. This one I like, this one, meh. Okay, so I just did do it. Did you notice in the first one where I held it on the bottom part of it did not really work well? Is this time hold it like I did this eye and from above, meaning this direction, not down here. I also made sure what I didn't do the first time is I went in and I twisted this back and forth to pick up more product. And this time I'm going to hold it above like this, okay? And then stamp. Whoa, that's a lot more, isn't it? Because that did it. Twisting it back and forth in the cap really gave me the eyebrow. So I'm going to come down like this on top of it and then go over. This one I still like because it's higher and it's much darker. So now I'm going to try this little brush that comes with it, and I think that is so if you don't match it, holding it up there. I do know that my natural brows are not twins. So of course when following my eyebrow line, it didn't match up exactly. Definitely gives me big eyebrows. Trying it out, seeing which one works. You can wipe it off, you can get it off and reposition it. And as I said, what made it darker from the first time was twisting it, making sure you pick up enough product. This is the nice arch that I like. I think I'm kind of happy about it. As I hear a lot of young ladies or TikTokers say, I'm not mad. I'm going to take a white pencil, just going to go underneath it to give it a little bit of highlight and definition. Then I'm going to get a little brush to blend that out. So the iMethod eyebrow stamp, I think, is a real winner. It actually, with a few tries, got me exactly to the destination I wanted to go to. And remember, the destination is not the point, but the journey there is that enjoy it, try things out, and hopefully you'll find that destination you're searching for in your skincare, your makeup, your hair care. I hope if it works for me, it'll work for you too. Remember, age does not define you. It's just a number. Be bold, be beautiful, be you. Doing my darlings. Bye.